Students, today I am discussing about achieving confidence during presentation. Well, when we are giving any appearance in front of the audience or in a what we say in a crowd, at that time we have to develop our confidence level. If we don't have proper confidence at that time, then we will unable to give our presentation properly. So that's why presentation during presentation confidence is very important. First point is believe that fear is your friend. It makes your reflexes sharper, heightens your energy as more adrenaline is pumped into your blood when you are nervous or stressed. Yeah, when you think that you have a fear, then make your fear your friend, because how much you are feeling that kind of fear, then you will do so many things to build up your confidence, and you don't become overconfident. And because of your nervousness, you can make your things properly, and you will not avoid the things, or you will not lose any kind of things when you are giving your presentation. Second point is given a choice, choose a topic you truly like. First of all, try to choose that kind of topic which is your favorite and you have interest in that, because the thing which is really we like, the thing which we really like, that thing we can convey properly and easily because we have interest in that. And we all know that ki, if we are interested in anything, then we will make it in a good way. Third point is prepare until you become comfortable with delivering the topic. Yeah, that's true. That if you do preparation again and again, that finally you will achieve the confidence whatever you need at the time of presentation, and you choose lack of errors at the time of presentation because of your good preparation. So prepare again and again prepare again and again. That will help you to make you comfortable at the time of your presentation. Another point is if you are a novice speaker, then prepare more than the required material. Novice speaker means if you are a speaker who is, who is become nervous at the time of at the time of giving presentation, or because of audience attitude, you become uncomfortable. So for that sake, you need much more material with you, and with the help of that material you can convey much more things in front of the audience that will help you to make up your confidence. Next point is give a mock speech in front of your friends. Yes, if you are preparing for your presentation and you give a mock speech in front of your friends, then you get an idea about your mistakes, about your lacking where you are. All these things you can get from help of your friends. So that will help you to boost up yourself or to prepare yourself for the presentation. Next is work hard on your introduction material. Whenever you are starting your presentation, your first part is introduction, and introduction is the most important part of a presentation, because most of the audience is really concerned about the introduction. If your introduction is good, if your introduction is strong, if your introduction is attractive, then you will get good response from the audience. And if you give your introduction properly, then during presentation you will not face any kind of low confidence like feeling. Another point is look at the friendliest faces in the audience. Try to see your audience, and try to find out their expressions, and the expressions which are really friendly with you, means the expressions who are really sympathize with you, who are really interested towards you, who are really eager to listen you. According to that, you can convey your presentation after seeing those faces, because those kind of faces are really boosting a presenter to speak much more things in front of the audience. Next is, do not comment on your nervousness. Yeah, if you are nervous, then don't make yourself to present yourself in front of audience like you are just becoming. Don't show that you are a nervous person. So make your confidence level up and present yourself strongly. Next is, while waiting for the audience, you can take a quick walk in the room. Yeah, don't stand only one place. Try to move here and there and try to interact with the audience much more. And then that will help you to make your confidence level up, and you can prepare yourself for the future also. And the last point is, if your speech is being recorded, forget that you are standing in front of a camera. Yeah, some actually recording is always create some kind of nervousness in a human being, but don't make like that. If you are giving your presentation and you think and you know that your presentation is recorded by the camera, that forget each and every kind of recording. Just give your 100% and make yourself lively without thinking about the recording, without thinking that you have any mistakes and that will recorded by the camera. So don't so forget about these kind of things, because if you think like that, then you will not give your presentation properly. So, students, this is our topic 7, achieving confidence during the presentation of module 5. Now, I will discuss another topic in the another lecture.